Want to move Tlauncher to another drive without losing your Minecraft worlds? Here's how to do it quickly. First, close Tlauncher completely to avoid any file conflicts. Next, go to your current Tlauncher folder. Usually it's in Program Files and then Tlauncher, or wherever you installed it. Now, copy the entire Tlauncher folder. Make sure you copy everything, launcher files, version, and the .minecraft folder if it's inside. Now, go to the other drive that you want to paste your Tlauncher folder in and click on Paste. Now, run the Tlauncher from the new folder that you just copied. If you want, you can delete the old Tlauncher folder to free up space, but double check that all your worlds and mods are working first. And that's it, your Tlauncher is now running from your new drive and all your Minecraft data is safe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.